Alrighty, so we are going to talk some language arts now, okay? So we know what a preposition is. We had a long list of all prepositions. Then we were introduced to the object of a preposition. The object of a preposition is the noun that comes after the preposition. Easy stuff, right? I like it. All right, so now we're going to continue with using prepositions. Now I know that a lot of you may have already begun this today, but just for review, let's look at page 279 and 280. Okay. So a prepositional phrase begins with your preposition and ends with the object of the preposition. Okay, so you're just putting parentheses around the preposition and the object of the preposition. So if you look at that first example, which is California's lighthouses are built on rough shores. Okay, so we locate our preposition. Our preposition in this sentence is the word on. And what is the noun that comes after on? Shores. Okay, rough is not your noun. Rough is an adjective, right? Okay, so we should have parentheses around on rough shores, and that is your prepositional phrase. Okay, now if you look further, it just explains how we expand sentences with the prepositional phrases. Yes, they do make it more interesting. And it gives, placement to our noun, which is pretty good for understanding when we are reading. So they are useful, okay? And then they change or they add the preposition just to show you a little bit. So these lighthouses are not very old. Okay, cool. Then we go further. The lighthouses in California are not very old. Okay, so they've added the prepositional phrase in California. So now we know where these lighthouses are located. And then your last example, they just add additional. And yes, you can have multiple prepositional phrases in one sentence. So let's do a couple examples. So number one, California lighthouses are frequently covered in fog, not frog, in fog. So in is going to be our preposition. Fog is a noun. Therefore, in fog is our prepositional phrase. So parentheses should be around that phrase, okay? Then the Point Reyes Lighthouse is in a foggy area. In, again, is our preposition. Area is going to be our noun. So please put your parentheses around in a foggy area. So you're going to continue this for the rest of the page. You are also going to create your own sentences for 6 and 7. Use those prepositions that you have learned previously. Those can be found on page 275, your long list here, and I'll show you. Okay, so this is what we should be seeing. All right, use those prepositional phrases. Go ahead and make sure that we have completed 279 and 280. I'll talk to you later.